Obviously I've talked about Jasmy before on this channel, a cryptocurrency that long-term I am extremely bullish on. I believe there's a ton of upsides and a great deal of things to be bullish on with regards to trust me. Once more, I'm not a monetary guide, simply not monetary counsel or fulfillment purposes as it were. However, I certainly think Jasmy is a coin that in the following crypto boron has extremely serious potential. What's more, once more, I've made various recordings now on Jasmy. Going to keep on making these recordings on Jasmy since I'm bullish on it. However, we should simply get directly into this you all. There's a couple of things I need to discuss concerning Jasmy, yet all at once we should go. So a ton of talk as of late inside the Jasmy People group. Inside the Jasmy People group has been about DFW Labs being the new Jasmy accomplice right from this tweet here. From Hara, the Jasmy CFO, he tweets out. This was again about 7 days prior. 14 days prior. Jasmy has gone into a business collusion concurrence with a significant market creator. We've talked about the terms and the subtleties of the understanding on various occasions, and they have clarified exhaustively how for work with to function with the local area and token. They have solid trackers of working with many tasks, and we will push ahead with this synergistic relationship. Hashtag Jasmy now. Many individuals are presently guessing that market creator is the top VC firm, WF Labs, since I surmise there was a few exchanges here, correct? With the WWF Labs wallet and Door.io and Jasmy, you can see your 700 million Jasmy. As you can see their worldwide presence for WF Labs here and afterward WFAT must be is to be included as the main 5. Financial speculator in crypto in 2023 standing right behind A16Z, Binance Labs and Sequoia. Presently WF Labs here is exceptionally unmistakable market creator in the crypto space. So this sounds colossal, right? Really? You can see here this tweet. WF Labs, could you at any point remark on conceivable organization with Jasmy due to this exchange here on Etherscan of Jasmy? NWF Labs, something happening here by means of Door.io now. You can see here this tweet here. WF Labs pulled out 700 million Jasmy, 3.1 million from Get.io 4 hours after Jasmy deployer saved 770 million Jasmy, 3.4 into Get.io. Is it a fortuitous event, or did DFW Labs purchase 700 million Jasmy from Jasmy deployer? So extremely fascinating here. What's happening here? You can see here this tweet. Appears to be legit. DFW Labs is a multi-stage Web3 venture company has reliably kept up with its situation among the main 5 exchanging substances by volume the crypto space thanks to its restrictive analogy for high recurrence exchanging. So there's clearly something happening here. Exceptionally bullish opinion here concerning DFW Labs and its likely association with Jasmy. You can see here this tweet Jasmy on the off chance that you are considering how DFW Labs will manage 700 million C20 tokens, right? This is one of the head guys at DFW Labs, right, and simply exactly a progression of tweets sort of discussing what a market creator and a VC does and far as collaborating with the crypto project, which if so you all it makes me considerably more bullish than I'm on Jasmy pushing ahead. Simply one more tweet I needed to impart to you guys inconsequential to the market creator since you asked me since Japan. Sorry as of now. As of now as legitimate system for digital currencies that seems to have worked for the beyond quite a while. It's far-fetched that Japanese guidelines will be impacted by the US crackdown now. We've discussed this in the past video that Jasmy is getting itself in a position for whatever happens with the US and the US explicitly with the SEC and money in Coinbase that Jasmy ought to be alright over in Japan and I believe keep on being the pioneer and the front of the initiative. The very front in the running of very much like being Japanese, the Japanese crypto. And afterward another tweet that has been circling on the web that I'm certain assuming you guys are following Jasmy and things like that you know about, however the Japanese Public Duty Office reported that hidden increases from cryptos gave by organizations themselves will never again be burdened. So this is clearly new greatest enormous bullish news from Japan. The alteration will carry more organizations to put resources into crypto. Nibbled brilliant for Jasmy. So this is all bullish information. You guys, as I would like to think you're really bullish news on Jasmy keeps on being bullish. I think we investigate sort of the graph throughout recent days here. I mean it's particularly so in the green throughout the course of recent days, in the red still over the course of the past month. So as I would see it, anything lower than what this cost is as of now is an extraordinary purchasing an open door, yet in any case I think in general an extraordinary open door. Here with Jasmy as a drawn out play. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.